Let's do a sparkly tumbler using the Tack method. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know. And if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I cut out some sunflowers and bumblebees on my Cricut. This is permanent vinyl. Put them on the side. Now I got this stainless steel tumbler from Michael's, and I just wipe it down with some rubbing alcohol, take the sticker off, all that. Now we have some Tack, and this is glitter from Michael's as well. The color is sunflower, and we're going to put the Tack all over this cup. Now, if you've seen me do cups before, I usually tape off the bottom, but this time I'm going to go the whole cup. Now we want the Tack to dry, and when we say dry, I mean like it's going to be tacky, it's going to be sticky, but it's not going to leave a residue on your finger. Does that make sense? Then we're going to cover it with the glitter. Perfect. And now we're going to rub the glitter so that it lays flat and it gets wicked shiny. Now, many of you with my last video had asked, can you do a second coat of Tack and glitter? So I said, hey, I don't know, let's try. So that's what we're doing. I put more Tack on. And then again, you want to make sure that you get all of the, the big parts of the Tack. You want it to be all very, what's the word? Even. Gosh, words are hard. And then I added some more glitter, and now we're going to do the same process. Add the glitter, and then we're going to lay the glitter flat by rubbing on it. Now, you can see I'm not going wicked hard, but I'm like, because I didn't know if it would rub the first layer off or not. So I just went, I don't want to say gently, but I wasn't wicked aggressive. But here it is. And look at the difference. And this would have been even different still had I painted the cup, or if I used a silver cup. Whatever color base you have, the glitter then kind of changes depending on that. This is a holographic glitter. That's the other thing, and I love it. Okay, there it is. Perfect. Now, I did 2 layers of dishwasher safe Mod Podge, and I used a makeup brush. You don't have to do that. The other thing is and this is my favorite, I use Crystalac products. And once that dishwasher safe Mod Podge was dry and I let it sit for probably a couple hours, I then put on, I'm going to say 2 layers of the Crystalac, let them dry 2 hours between each layer. And I'm just showing you here that you can use a brush or you can use your hand. And then you can add, that was another question, can you do vinyl on top of it? And after you seal it, you can. And I think one of the keys is using a transfer paper that isn't wicked sticky. I'm using contact paper from Walmart. Yeah, because it's not wicked sticky, but it actually moves the vinyl. And stop it. Look at how cute this is. I love it. All right, so then once I put all of that on, I'm using Crystalac. Again, you could use dishwasher safe Mod Podge on top if you wanted, but the shine on this Crystalac is crazy pants, and it's non-toxic, so it gives like a epoxy shine, but you don't have the allergy issues like I do. Here it is. Look at how cute. I used it in my car. See, it fits in the cup holder. But what I wanted to say though is make sure each layer, I probably did 4 layers of the Crystalac, and I let it sit 2 hours in between. Is it a lot of work? Yes, but are you kidding me? Look at the results. I love it. It's so cute. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.